Hi guys, and welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that says, what is the number when divided by 3 the remainder is 1, when divided by 4 the remainder is 2, when divided by 5 the remainder is 3, and when divided by 6 the remainder is 4. So this is the problem we're going to be solving. Okay? So let's write something down. So when the number is 3, the remainder is always 1. When it's divided by 4, the remainder is 2. When it's divided by 5, the remainder is 3. And when it's divided by 6, the remainder is 4. Now what we can notice is that this number over here is always 2 greater than this number over here. So if you notice, the difference between the divisor and the remainder is always 2. Okay? And if you put that into other words, if you add 2 to the sought number, we get a number that is divisible by all these divisors. So let's say the number we're looking for is n. If you add 2 to n, that means it would be divisible by all of these numbers. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because the remainders would all add 2, and that would become the divisor. So the remainder would get eliminated. Okay? So n plus 2 is divisible by all 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now what we have to do is we have to find the LCM of 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? And the LCM of these numbers is 60. Okay? So this is the LCM of all these numbers, and this is the least common multiple. So n plus 2, the lowest value could be is 60. So that means the lowest value n could be is 58. And just to check this, 58. Okay? So when divided by 3, so the closest multiple of 3 is 57, so the remainder would be 1. The closest multiple of 4 is 56, so the remainder would be 2. The closest multiple of 5 is 55, so the remainder would be 3. And the closest multiple of 6 is 54, so the remainder would be 4. So 58 is correct. Okay? Now, notice how I said this is the lowest number that has all these properties, but it's not the only number that has all these properties. Now, since we only considered the least value of 3, 4, 5, 6, since we only consider the least common multiple, that means we got the least value of n. But if we consider other multiples, such as 120, and we subtract 2, and we say n plus 2 equals 120, we get n equals 118. And 118 displays these same properties. So 118 is another solution. And same if you say n plus 2 is equal to 180. So n equals to 178. So 178 would also be another solution. You can check these out. You can check these at home if you want, but these are all solutions. And the key takeaway is that there are infinite solutions, because all you need is a multiple of 3, 4, 5, and 6. And just subtract 2 from that, and it'll display all of these properties that are listed above. So all you need is a multiple of 3, 4, 5, 6, and subtract by 2. And you'll get a number with all these properties. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.